I'm 22 now. I'm 22 years old. Please enjoy the music today. And don't forget to find me on Spotify, Apple Music, and YouTube. I should just say to leave, cause I know exactly where it leads, but I watch it go round and round each time.